Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am here with a makeup tutorial finally. You guys asked me to do makeup tutorials more than the other videos, so here I am. I am doing a very minimal and date makeup kind of look. I'm using minimal products. So first I'm starting with a moisturized face. I'm just priming my face with prime and setting spray by PAC, and then I'm using Total Drop foundation by NYX. I am a little nasal and I have like cough, so please excuse my voice. And with the beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend this foundation really well, and you can see it matches my skin perfectly. The shade matches my skin perfectly, and it's so good foundation. I'm in love with this foundation because you just have to take a few drops and you're good to go. You look flawless. And then I'm just gonna take some of more foundation just to build this foundation under my eyes. I'm not using any concealer, just using this foundation as concealer. And again, I'm just using beauty blender to blend all the foundation really nicely. And yeah, I just love this foundation. I will be doing a full-fledged review on this foundation because I haven't done this review. Anyways, then I'm taking this PAC baking powder set, and I'm using white and yellow shade to highlight. I'm not using any separate highlighter. And then I'm taking NYX brow pencil, and I'm just applying to my eyebrows and filling it in, and I'm giving it a very natural look, not made up or something like that, because it's a date makeup and I really want to keep everything so natural and flawless kind of thing. Then I'm taking the skin shade again, and I'm just applying to my lid area. And then I'm taking NYX Lid Lingerie matte lid, and this is like a cream eyeshadow. I'm just applying onto my eyelids, and with a fluffy blending brush I'm just blending it really nicely. And yeah, and I really love this because it doesn't crease on my eyelids, which normally eyeshadows do, but this is like it just gives a really nice tint. I am looking forward to buy more of these in different shades. Yeah, so this is really pretty. I love how my eyes looked after using this. Then I'm gonna take lashes, and I'm using PAC lashes in 82. These are half lashes, perfect for a romantic dinner because you are not overdoing your eyelashes, but it will give you that lift and curl. So it's really nice lashes. And then I'm just gonna dust off any excess powder I have on my face and blend it everything on my face. And you can see with the powder I got that highlighting effect without using any highlighter. And I'm using the same eyeshadow under my to my lower lash, and I'm just blending it with a small blending brush. You can see that it kind of gives like a really nice smokiness to my lower lash line. Then I'm taking false lash mascara, and I'm just applying to my lashes and blending my fake and original lashes together. And also with the same mascara I'm just gonna apply to my lower lash. And yeah, so this will help my eyes look a little more lifted and big. And then I'm using the same eye tint as a blush because I just loved the color and it worked amazing as a blush. You can see how easily it blended on my skin, and it gave me that really nice flushed and blushed look, which I really love. I used this eye tint as a blush a lot in these past days, so I just loved using it as a blush, and this is how it looks as a blush. So now I'm just going with an illuminator, and I'm using Glow Illuminator by Manna Kadar. This is like a liquid illuminator, you can use any. And I'm just applying to highest points of my cheeks and blending it with a brush. Also I applied this to my bridge of nose, cupid's bow, and I'm just gonna blend every thing with the help of a brush to have that really nice glow. And last is lips, and I'm using again Lip Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade French Maid. It's again by NYX, beautiful mauvish, dirty pink, brownish kind of color, and I love it. And yeah, that's it for the whole look. And this is very simple, quick and easy fresh pink look. I would say it is very easy to do, and it looks very natural as well. And yes, it's perfect for a date night, and I will I can wear this look anytime, you know. It's so good. I have worn this look lots of time, and yeah, that's it for the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.